morning, Auntie Grace. Happy birthday.
Una sa lahat, good morning, Pilina. Babatiin kita ng happy birthday to you. God bless you so much, ate. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday, ate. I love you.
Birthday in behalf of Oscar. Wala dere si Oscar karon kay tuwa sa dagat. Happy birthday te. Thank you sa tanan. Happy birthday, more birthdays to come.
1, 2, 3, go. Hi, Tita Lina. Happy birthday, Tita. More birthdays to come. Og salamat kayo sa tanan. We love you. I love you.
Ikaw. Happy birthday, tita.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday, tita.
Tita Lina. Salamat sa tanan. We love you.